Hello everyone and happy Vlogmas day 15. We are headed out to the Universal Studios Park very shortly, and it's going to be a long drive and a busy morning, but I hope you guys enjoy day 15 of Vlogmas. We are currently in the line for Hagrid's, and we're hoping we're almost to the end, but it's been a long wait so far.
See you next lesson.
We are now on our way to the Hogwarts Express to Universal Studios to go ride some fun rides over there. So we're now at Universal Studios, and we looked at Harry Potter on this side just to see some of the decorations, but Gringotts was at 30 minutes, so we're not riding that. We're heading over to Men in Black now, but Hagrid's was so much fun. Definitely a different experience. Was it worth the wait? We waited about an hour and 20 minutes, and that was too long, way too long. But headed to Men in Black now, where I assume we'll have lots of fun.
This holiday season, what if they're all winners? What do you say?
Oh my gosh, you guys are too. I'm sorry for making fun of you earlier. It wasn't very nice. Even though that one guy hates us.
It's okay. Hey, it's okay. Calm down. I'm sorry that we were Grinches too, but I think it's better if we just sing it together.
Oh my gosh, can we do that right now?
that is it for Universal today. So it's 2 o'clock now. We just made it back from the parks. We had a short stay there today, but it was warm, It was beautiful weather, but it was getting really busy and we were tired, so we headed home. But we had a lot of fun with all of the rides that we got to do. So we rode Hagrid's first, which took such a long time. It was well over an hour wait. But posted was, I think, over 120. So we did get in under the posted time, but it was just a lot of waiting and standing. But that was really, really fun. I got one clip there at the end of the final scene, but again, I couldn't film on that ride because it is crazy. It was super fun. Then we went over to the other park. So we rode the train, the Hogwarts Express, and then we went on Men in Black, which was really fun. I got a couple clips there, but again, couldn't film on that ride. And then we went on The Mummy, which was really fun, one of my favorite ones there. And then we saw a lot of the Christmas decorations in both of the Hogwarts and Harry Potter worlds, so I enjoyed our time there, and I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us. But now that we're home, we're going to relax for a bit and, you know, take it easy for the rest of this Sunday. A quick nap and hairstyle change later. I'm feeling a little bit better, a little less tired, but I do need to film a process video today to go up for my patrons. I'm definitely behind, so I'd like to get 2 done right now so that way we have next week's ready to go, because as you guys know, things just keep getting more and more busy. And as we approach the end of the year, things will continually get more and more busy. And it looks like my camera's dirty. I have to clean that right after this clip, but I'm going to go film that. I do have a quick haul here from Spiegelman Scrap, so I'm going to lay it out to show you guys what I got. So here's the beautiful packaging that they were in before I unwrapped them. Then I got a little bag of goodies here as well, some freebies, some die cuts, some butterfly sequins, and then a stamp from Unity Stamp Co. Really, really cool. But I'm going to unbox these to show you guys now. So I picked up 2 of the Spiegelman Scraps / Shimmers splash color kits from the Black Friday sale. This was one of them. This one was focused on metallics. It came with this metallic marker, which I've never heard of before, but it looks really cool. 2 metallic threads, so we have silver and gold. These 4 shimmers, so we have this one, which is Gold Glimmer. Yep, okay. This one, which is Silver Bells, you know, cute Christmassy. We have this one, which is Hi Ho Silver. And then this one, which is one of my favorites, and this is Precious Metal, and this is more of a bronzy tone. Then I came with Wooden Ornament, and then 3 sets of, this set is Silver Tree Sequins, this set is Gold Tree Sequins, and then some Copper Glitter in these nice little plastic holders. And then I got the blue set of Color Splash Kit, and that came with 3 shimmers and a bunch of other cuties. So this one is the Tickle Me Turquoise, really pretty. This one might be my favorite though. And this is Peacock Plume. And then this like darker gray navy one is Teal the End of Time. We love a play on words. This one came with some cloud die cuts, dictionary die cuts. Oops. The wood veneer flowers, which I already have some of these and I love them. Some cute different designs. 2 blue ribbons. So this one's more of a ribbon. Or maybe not. Maybe they're both string cords like material. And then we have 1 little sequin set, blues and greens, a teal glitter, 2 chipboard pieces, and then another wood round ornament. So I love these, and shimmers are such fun products to work with. But I'm going to go get to filming a process video now, and I hope you guys enjoy this little Black Friday haul. But I think that's everything I ordered on Black Friday, so that should be it for the hauls until Christmas. So we just finished watching episode 8 of Star Wars, and that means we're all ready to watch the last episode when it comes out later this week. But I hope you guys enjoyed day 15 of Vlogmas and going to Universal with us, and, you know, just having a little bit of a Black Friday haul mixed in. You know, it depends on the day, but I hope you guys come back tomorrow for another vlog. And if you did enjoy, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!